Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will review to you the importation strategy that is far more better than importation via Alibaba 1688 and the likes. This is the channel where you get everything about importation from China to Nigeria or any part of Africa. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and share this video. If you have any question or suggestion for me, drop them in the comment section of this video. I'll be happy to receive them. Since the birth of e-commerce websites like Alibaba, 1688, etc., a lot of persons thought that importation via these beautiful e-commerce websites is the best and cheapest. But I'm here to tell you that even before the birth of these e-commerce websites, Onitsha market men have been in the business of importation and majority of them are successful. Till today, over 90% of Onitsha market's importers have never heard of any of these websites, talk more of using them, and yet they are super successful. But how are they making all that money? You may wonder. Now listen. Instead of buying from these beautiful e-commerce websites, they buy directly from factories and Chinese businessmen and women via WhatsApp, WeChat, phone calls, etc., which is far more cheaper and reliable than e-commerce websites. But how do you get connected to these factories, you may ask? Hook me up on the number on your screen right now via WhatsApp, or click on the link in the description of this video or website on the screen also to see for yourself. When you connect to a Chinese factory, instead of buying a piece of cloth, for example, at the cost of about 4,000 naira, you buy at about 1,000 naira, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003 as the case may be, or even cheaper. I've bought clothes at different prices. The most recent ones are at 10 yen, 12 yen, 13 yen, 16 yen, etc. The good part of it is that the qualities of these clothes are exactly the same with the ones sold at Alibaba and the brothers, yet more expensive at the beautiful e-commerce websites. When you import clothes directly from factories, you make 3 times more profit than those who import via e-commerce websites. To see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, click the link in the description of this video or visit the website on your screen right now or chat me up via WhatsApp. In conclusion, importation through Chinese factories, Chinese businessmen and women is far more better, cheaper, more reliable than importation via e-commerce websites. Finally, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also use the comment section. I will see you in the next video.